Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Maths 10th. So this is your 5th lesson, quadratic equation, square root of 3-digit number. So in solving the factorizing the quadratic equation, you need to find the quadratic square root of 3-digit number or single digit number. Okay. So in this video, I am giving idea for 3-digit video, how to take square root. Okay. So see full video, okay students. Till the end of the video, definitely you will get an idea to find the square root of 3-digit number. Okay, let's go to the sum. See, this is 872. First you have to pair the numbers, okay, and back of the sides. So see, this is a pair and doesn't have a pair, so you have to give this. See, 1205. So how will you pair this? See, from these two numbers and these two numbers. So you have to pair, give a bar from the back of the side, okay, from ones digits. So ones to tens here, okay, so and so on. Okay, okay. So now what are the perfect squares? What are the perfect squares? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. 7 sevens are 49, 8 is 64, 81, 100 and so on. So please just memory 220's square number is 400. So these are the perfect squares. So you simply memory till the end of till 20 numbers square roots, okay, squares of 20's. So from 1 to 20, so it will be helpful to find the square root of these numbers. Okay, see, 6 here 8 is here. So what is the perfect square before the 8? See, 1, 4 and 9. So 4 is the perfect square before 8 because here 9 is there, so it is greater than 8, so you do not take this, so you have to take this. Okay, so 4 is the perfect square before 8. So 2 2's are 4. Okay, yes, so when you subtract you get 4 7 2. When you take this number in the division, you have to take one number, but in the square root you have to take a pair. Okay, see, you need definitely will need a decimal, so here point and 0 0. See, you can give how many zeros? Infinite number of zeros. Okay. Okay, so when you get down here the number, you have to give a pair of numbers. Okay, okay, see, so this is minus 4 and 72, and here you have to find this. See, this number is how to find this number when you multiply by 2. So 2 2's are 4 and give a box and give a box. Okay, see, in which number is here, that is not need. You have to here write the number, we have to multiply by 2. Okay, so if it is 3, 6 here. If it is 4, you have to write 8. If it is 5, you have to write 10. Okay ma? Okay, so now box is there. You have to find the which number is perfect to write here less than 472. Okay, see, 4, if we give 5, so multiply, this is 5 5's are 25, 6 2, 225. Okay, this is not perfect. So 4 8's are, okay, 4 6 6's are, sorry, 8 8's are 64. So 4, this is 6 32, 38. Okay, so let's find for 49. This is box ma. Okay, so box. So 4 9 9's are 81, 1 and 8, 36, 41. Okay, is this a perfect one? Yes, you cannot give 10. Okay, so till 9 you can write. See, so this is 49 into 9. So this is in the box, we can give 9. Okay, why you are giving 9? This is the number which is less than 472. Okay, so 4 5 45, this is not allowed. 48 into 8, that is not allowed. So 9 is the perfect thing in the box. So what is that number? That is 4 4 1, and you subtract, this is 1, this is 3. Do you understand this step? So decimal of decimal, you can give the decimal, and you have to get down these numbers in the pair of zeros. Okay, so do you understand this step? Yes. So now you just multiply 2 here, you have to write here. So 29 into 2, that is 58. Is that right? Okay, 58. 29 into 2. So that is 58. Again it is box. Here also box. Okay, see. 58 box. Here this box. Just multiply. If you give one, it's very less number. So you can give 6. Okay. So this is 30. Okay. See, 6 6 are 36. 6 3 4 6 are it's 48 into 51. So 1 5. This is 35. So this is when you give in the box number 6. This will be a greater number. So we can give 5. So 5. 5, say 5, multiply 5, 5 5s are 25, 5, 8 5s are 40, 42, so 2, 4, this is 29, yes, so this is 2925, so this is the number which is the right one. So you can give the box, in the box you can give 5. So do you understand how you select the number in the box? Okay, so 5 into 585. That is 2925. See, 10 minus 5, this is 5, this is 9 minus 2, 7, and here is a 0 0. Okay, so 75 is your remainder. So do you understand this step? Yes. So now you have to take the zeros to zeros. Okay, see what is this number to be written? Do you understand this step? Yes. So this number is multiplied by the quotient number. So this is 295 is here. So 295 multiplying by 2, this is 0, 1, 8, 80, 91, this is 5. So 590. So you have to write 590 and again box and box. For the exactly this zeros. Okay, so in this 0 it is a box. We find the solution, that is 5. Okay, so do you understand this step, ma? Yes. So it's a continuous process. You are doing the same thing. So you need not need a calculator. Okay, so to find the square root, you can do it on your own. When you practice, you can do the sum easily. So now find which number is 590, box. So again the box. Which number is perfect? See, this is 75. So 2 times is okay, I think. See, 4, 0, 18, 1, 10, 11. Oops. 75, 0, 0. Sorry. Here I have committed a mistake, students. This is 175. Okay. Here 3 is there. Okay. So now this number is for 2. And if you write 3, see what will happen. This is 3 3s are 9, 0. 27, so 7 into 2, 15, 17. So this one is greater than numbers. So when you give 3 in the box, so you have to choose 2 and 2. So when you 2, that number is 11804. So if you subtract, you will get 5. This is 9. Okay, 14, 6, 5, and so on. So you can do the process, you can do the find. So what is your 872 square root is 29.52 and goes on. So when you have a question to find the square root up to the 2 decimals, so you can stop here. Okay, so if you need one more, you can do the process again. So do you understand this, ma? Yes, I hope you all understand. So pairing, that is important. This number, how to pair? 4 ones, tens, hundreds and thousands and so on. If here is another number is there, you have to give a bar for the particular number only. This has no bar. Okay, so means no pair for 5. So you have to write 5. So what is the perfect square before the 5? So that is the same sum you have to do. Okay, so do you understand, ma? I hope you all understand. So see you in the next video. Thank you.